back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Alrighty, now we got that card all fired up. We're ready to go racing, and we're going to be waiting for Keeley to make that hard left turn. Everybody's going to take off. Ladies and gentlemen, green flag is out here for the Mini All-Stars. 2 laps of distance. Addison Rhodes going to lead him to the green, and it looks like Steven Lusher going to be able to work to the outside of Ava Jarvis. Good battle down to the backstretch. Addison Rhodes is your current leader with Steven Lusher. Rhodes going to wash up on the Speedway on a 3 and 4. Hits that bump, and here comes Steven Lusher. Can Lusher get it done as he gets that run off of turn 3 and 4 as Addison Rhodes with a 20.035 that lap time. Look at the run. Lusher gets off of turn number 2 down the backstretch as they're going to go door to door in 3 and 4. Lusher using the outside on the Speedway. Ladies and gentlemen, what a pass off of 3 and 4. Steven Lusher gets it done. Addison Rhodes for second, and Ayla Jarvis and Corbin Kincaid will round out the field. Man, I'll tell you what, holy cow, as he comes around, let him hear it, ladies and gentlemen, for Steven Lusher, your winner for the American All-Star Series by VP Racing Fuels Heat Race number 1 winner. Firing everything off. Alrighty, so the American All-Star looks like we got somebody being a scratch, as it looks like we're ready to fire them off. I see Duncan, I see Mills. Looks like Harper Patton did not make the call as we're underway as they go door to door in turns 1 and 2. It's going to be the 15. That's going to be Cody Duncan to the inside. We got the number 10 of Harrison around. Does the old loop-de-loo and continues on, but you got him door to door in 3 and 4. It's going to be Braden Mills. You will have the number 15 of Cody Duncan door to door down on the front stretch. My goodness, what a race here for the Mini All-Stars. Duncan's going to try to work to the bottom side of the Speedway. Gets a little tight off of turn 1 and 2. Have out of her Braden Mills on the outside. Mills right through the middle of 3 and 4. Looks like he's going to get it done for the final time. Gets a little tight. Duncan there to the inside. Ladies and gentlemen, Braden Mills going to get it done here tonight, as it'll go to Cody Duncan in the number 15. Coming back through the round of the field. Oh, you got the number 10 of Harrison around. Once again, 50-50 tickets are on sale from the Hospice of Southern West Virginia. They're going around right now. But ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Braden Mills. As we are getting things ready to go, it looks like we're ready to go green. I'm over here, Ramblin' Sponsor, which are great, by the way. As Steven Lusher, Braden Mills, Addison Rose, Cody Duncan, Ayla Jarvis, Brody Harrison, Corbin Kincaid, and Harper Patton for 5 laps of distance. And Addison Rose going to make a big charge in turns 1. Oh, we got him wrecking. We got to wreck in turns 1 and 2. Cars getting together in turns 1 and 2 after Addison Rhodes had a good run going into turns 1 and 2, and then contact has happened. Is kind of unsure who was involved in all that contact.
But, yeah, I can't thank all my sponsors and everybody who gets me here.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Cody Duncan, your winner.